How to buy Dingo token. So before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going out with this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have 84 members there. So now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 6 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy token address and open your funds mind for that. As you can see, after that, click here on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is also going to click on it. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see, now this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Dingo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.